Welcome to the in front of me iPad Pro 4th generation, and I'll show you the face unlock or Face ID test on this device. So I just set up my Face ID a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock works here fast and correct. I just unlocked the device less than in 1 second. We just should, unfortunately, after the unlock of the device with the Face ID, we should swipe it by ourselves by this way, or just you can firstly swipe the screen and then use the Face ID, and your device will unlock successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.